Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, the next contender here for thesis exam, it will be Vira Lutfi, yeah, and then Vira Lutfi here, her thesis title, it is about student perception on Gramo as an alternative teaching media in grammar mastery, yeah. And then her thesis advisor here is Miss Lydiatul Izan MPD. And then the examiner here will be me. And then who's the other examiner that you got, Vira?
Miss Muti.
Okay, and then the second examiner is Miss Muti. Before you're going to explain your thesis here, let's start this thesis defense here by reciting Basmalah together. Yeah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's hope while explaining your thesis, you'll be able to answer all the question, yeah, and then giving an elaboration in comprehensive way. Okay, Vira?
Oke, Sir.
Okay, come on. Time is yours.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
My name is Vira Lutfia Pratiwi. Here I'm going to present about my thesis entitled Student Perception on Gramo as an Alternative Teaching Media in Grammar Mastery. Next, Sir. Yeah. So why I conduct this thesis? A long time ago, when I did an internship at several schools, I realized that there are still many senior high school students who find it difficult to remember the grammar that is being learned. Then I tried to find out then I tried to find a way through grammar monopoly as an alternative teaching media. Gramo itself is a game-based learning that resembles Monopoly, which is recreate according to the grammar material in the class. And I have used this media before, so I want to examine, can Gramo be learning media in grammar lesson? Next, sir. Yeah. The theory that I use, according to Lu and Nguyen, games can be used at all stages of the progression from control to free practice, serving as a memory aid and repetition drill at one end of the range, at the other as an opportunity to use the language freely, and as means to an end rather than an end in itself. Games can also serve as a diagnostic tools for educators who can identify difficulty areas and take appropriate remedial action. Game-based learning is appropriately used in which learners are led to participate in the games, so they can have the opportunity to practice or use the new language item they have just learned. So I think this is more effective to allow students to play and learn than we just forcing them to do the tasks. And I'm sure that grammar can be used in grammar lesson. So I think this theory is connected to my thesis. Next. The method and procedure. This research is implemented on July at SMK Kesehatan Letris Indonesia 2 and MA Darussadah. And I use descriptive quantitative method and use a questionnaire to collect the data because of COVID-19. So it makes me come to go directly to school, because of it, I just gathered their perspective on Gremo, and I gathered 100 grade 12 students from 2 different schools. Okay, next. For the findings, first I explained to the student about Gremo. I give them a picture of Gremo, and I explain what is Gremo, how to play, and also what the advantage of Gremo. And I let them to understand and I let them to understand, and then I gave them an online questionnaire by Google Form. So I give them the questionnaire by Google Form, which is they fill in according to their perspective and their opinion on Gremo. In the questionnaire, there are 3 indicators. The first about the difficulty of grammar. The second about their opinion regarding the use of learning media, and the third is their opinion about grammar. And the result, mostly they still find the difficult to remember the material, and so the learning media is really needed, and they agree that Gremo can be alternative learning media because they quite interesting and enthusiastic about this game. Next. From the table, we can see that variable x is 0.007 less than 0.05. It means students are interested on Gremo and can be used as teaching media. Okay, next step. So because the result P is less than 0.05, there is a significant difference, so that Gremo can be used. I'm sure that Gremo can improve student understanding in grammar lesson, and I hope I can directly use this media in the school, and I hope also this media can inspire English teachers to innovate in learning media. Thank you. That's all.
That's all, Fira?
Yeah.
Okay, now let's try to discuss about your slide here. Starting from the title that you got, Student Perception and Grammar as an Alternative Teaching Media in Grammar Mastery. Yeah. So your focus here only to get the student perception, right? Yeah, and then so you are not implementing Gramo, and then also Gramo here you created as one of the alternative teaching media, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and then the reason behind why did you conduct this research, maybe you should put several kind of comparison first. Yeah, why that it is only Gremo that you decided to use for this research. Yeah, so it is not only because okay, you're familiar with what we call by Gremo, but after that one you have to come with some kind of comparison first. Yeah. Okay, so there will be a comparative kind after you choose Grimo itself. Okay, Fira?
Yes, sir.
And then for the theory here, you are taking from Luen Nguyen 2010. I guess I already told all of your friends, yeah, especially on your class of 2016, I guess. Yeah, the reference that you can use, it is to, yeah, above 2010. So if it is 2010, you don't have to use this one. Yeah, because when we call this as a 2010, and then now here we got our 2021, so we have 11 years of the book itself.
So it should change.
Yeah. Okay, you have to find a better or a new one. Yeah, I'm not asking you here using 2020 or 2021. Yeah, just use above 2010. Yeah. Okay, and then for the theory here, I guess it will be the same like what I told Elka or Hanan on it. Yeah. Uh, because your focus here is on student perception, so you have to give your elaboration first about the student perception, and then after that one, you have to come with why here your setting, it is for the senior high school or it is for junior high school. Yeah, so you gotta explain about that one also. Okay, yeah, and then after that one, you come with your games here, the theory of games, and then also about the grammar itself. Okay, Vira?
Okay, sir.
Again, now for the method of the study, time and place, population sample method, and then technique for collect and analyzing the data. Here, how long did you conducted this research?
About 2 weeks.
Okay, 2 weeks. And then,
Because waiting for them for their response to questionnaire.
okay, since you were looking for the student perception here, it should be about using the quantitative or it is a qualitative one, because you are trying to give only the student perception, right?
Quantitative, descriptive, quantitative.
Descriptive, quantitative. Okay. And then the finding here, there is one, a big question for you, Fira.
Yes, sir.
You're finding here it is only one diagram and then the result of respondent of the questionnaire. So the only way to collect the data from the participant here, it is only using questionnaire.
Yes.
Okay. And then you are putting here 4 or 5 kind of criteria on it. The first is strongly disagree, and then disagree, neutral, agree, and then strongly agree.
Yes.
But while giving the note of each diagram here, you are putting only 4. Yeah, so it should be 5 based on what you wrote here.
Yeah.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it is only the difficulties of grammar, perception of teaching media, effectiveness of grammar, and then here, if there are no score on it, I guess you may use only for criteria.
Actually, the participant no not not choose that one, sir.
Okay, so you mean here no one is choosing strongly disagree?
No one.
Okay. And then now here the beta coefficient for, okay, x1 and x2. Okay, so from this slide here, what is it that you try to convey from your thesis? based on the beta coefficients, yeah, and then also the significant of both here. Come on.
Um, that is the result of calculating the data, sir, from the respondents.
Okay.
Yeah. So this the variable x, that x1 is only learning media, and x2 is about Gremo. So from both the great uh, uh, their perception about grammar is strongly than excellent.
Okay, because yeah, it little bit ambigu, I guess, Vera.
Yes, sir.
You are mentioning here from your title, it is only the description about student perception, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try to focus on that one first. And then you're finding here, you are mentioning different things, yeah? In your finding, you're mentioning here, it can be concluded that learning media and grammar have an effect on grammar lesson. Why it should be different? Yeah, you have to make it relevant, so it will be the same. Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay. And then next one for the conclusion. Okay, it's mean there is significant difference. And then here also, the previous one you're mentioning about the effect, yeah, the effect of using grammar. And then on your conclusion here, you are mentioning about there is significant difference so that grammar can be used. Yeah, do you understand? Yeah,
Yes, sir.
okay. If you're going to discuss or to conduct a study about the effect here, maybe you can use experimental. Yeah, so you're trying to uh, get the effect on it. Yeah,
Yes,
and
sir.
then but if it is only to get the student perception, why did you have to put many kind of details on it here? Okay.
Sorry.
Okay, hopefully after this one you're going to consult with your advisor and then try to uh, talk about my suggestion for you. Okay, Vira?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that was for your PowerPoint presentation, and then now let's go to your complete tasks. Yeah? Let's start with your first chapter. Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Open it, please.
Yeah.
Okay, the total pages of your thesis, it is only 83. Really? Elka? Elka, are you there?
Yes, mister.
Okay, in total with the appendix, how many pages that you got for your thesis?
121.
Okay, nice one. At least we got 100 and more. And then now here we got only 83 pages. And then it is include the appendix on it, Fira?
Yes, sir.
Oh my God, yeah. This will make me wanna create a new policy. Yeah. So
Wow.
next, yeah, for the next, it should be 100 pages minimum. Yeah.
Wow.
Okay, for all English department student, if they're going to join the thesis defense. Okay. Uh. Okay, still downloading. Wait a second. It is 83 pages, but the amount here it is 6.4 megabyte. Yeah. Okay, please kindly wait a second. I'm still downloading your file, yeah? Okay. Oh my god, it's maybe it is because the connection, I guess, yeah. Okay, we can close this one. I'm gonna stop sharing. Yeah. Okay. Okay, Alhamdulillah, done. Now let's try to have a look at your abstract first, yeah? Okay, you have a short and simple abstract, that's okay. And the aim of this study was to determine the student perception of the use of grammar as an alternative learning medium, grammar mastery, yeah? Okay. So one more time here, your focus, it is descriptive quantitative, right?
Yes,
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, but you are still confused in what is it here? It is an experimental one or it is descriptive quantitative, yeah?
Yes, sir.
And then a survey with a quantitative approach was the research method, the data collection technique, okay. Okay, and then the data analysis technique is how testing. Okay. This one also, why the data analysis technique that use hypothesis testing. And then also based on validity and reliability tests. It is a questionnaire and then you're going to test the result of the questionnaire, really? Do you think that makes sense for you, Vera? Hmm?
I mean that the result from the respondents.
The result from respondent. Okay, and then your conclusion that Gramo is effective as grammar learning media. So what is it here? This is the student perception. You are talking about Gramo is the effective one. And then on the other part of your PowerPoint presentation, you are mentioning it is the effect. Yeah, it is the effect. And then the second one, here it is the effectiveness. Yeah. Okay, now let's go to your first chapter, please. Okay. Okay, interesting. Language is a platform for human beings to communicate with each other during everyday life. Okay. Globally. Okay, so you're not using international. That's great, I guess. Elka? Elka?
Yes, Mister.
Okay.
Why?
Kira here, she's not using international language as yours. Yeah, that's interesting. Yeah. And then,
Oh my God.
okay, this one. Furthermore, mastering English is not joy or prestige. Yeah, it is the key to international communication as innovation and exchange in the globalization era. You quoted this one from Hutchison 2016, page 195. And then suddenly here you put in addition, Allah the Almighty says blah, 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 blah. Yeah. So before you are going to quote from this, from the Al-Quran here, you have to put maybe the first explanation why it is relevant with this surah or with this verse. Yeah.
Yes,
And
sir.
then, Majid, who is Majid? Okay, we are not using Majid, yeah. In the previous one, Elka using Putri, Emmawati, and then blah, 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 blah. Hello, Elka, can you hear me?
Why always me, Mister?
Yeah,
Arabic,
that's yours.
Arabian,
Okay.
sir. Arabian music is Arabian.
Yeah, we're not using Arabian. Yeah, we're using what we call by. Should I mention it again here? It is from Creswell, yeah, Noonan, and then also all of the Oxford and then Cambridge kind of reference. That what you can use. Okay, Tira?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do not use Majid. Yeah, okay. Even if it is 2018, but you can use the expert from our Aleph, our lovely Aleph. Okay? Okay. It seems like you are big fans of Arabic author,
No.
yeah? The first you were mentioning Majid, and then second one you were mentioning Haji Kim. What is it, Haji Kim? Oh my God, yeah. Elka, we got more random expert here. Yeah.
Why, Mister?
Okay. If yours here it is Indonesian wave, and then here now we got Arabian wave. Yeah. We got Majid, and then we got Haji here. Nice one. Yeah.
Is it good, right, Mister?
Hmm?
Yeah, I think that's good.
That is it good
Foreigner,
for
foreigner.
Pira?
Yes, foreigner, but they're not the native speaker. That's the point. Yeah. You can
Oh,
use only from the native speaker, yeah. And then your background of the study here, Fira, it is really random, yeah. There are no significant reasoning why that you need to conduct this research, yeah. And then background of the study, yeah, it should be explained about your grammar, and then also about the games itself, yeah, and then also the main problem, and then the alternative solution on it. Okay, and then identification of the problem. Okay, language teacher tend to use traditional teaching grammar methods. So it is not the problem, yeah. The problem, the problem for the student here, it will be, what is it? Come on. The problem, because this one here, it is about learning grammar. So the first problem, it should be about student mastery of grammar. Yeah, lacking of student mastery in grammar. Yeah. And the limitation of the problem also, you have to revise it. You have to put the name of the school and then also the grade on it. Yeah. And then problem of the study, it should be answered on the objective of the study. Read it here, the problem of the study, and after that one, yeah, after that one, it is relevant or no. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And then significant of the study consists of two parts. Yeah. The first, it should be based on the theory or theoretically, and second one, it is practically. Yeah. So you have to make a total revision from your first chapter. Okay? Why it is all the same? Elka, Hannah, now Vira. Yeah? Okay. Definition of grammar. Okay. And then Elka, let me ask you here. This, can you guess it? Yeah. Elka, can you hear me, Elka?
yes, Mister.
Okay, when I mention here the name of this author, I want you to choose. Yeah, they're from Europe, from American, yeah, from Britain, or from Australia, or from any other native speaker country. The first name
Ah,
here it is Nurbianta, yeah, and then
ah,
second one it is Rahmat, yeah, and the next one it is Soliha. Okay.
yes,
Okay,
sir.
okay. Can you give me your best guess, please? What is it? Huh?
There
Why
are
are you
native
laughing?
speakers, sir.
Huh?
There are native speakers, sir. That all
Native,
is
sir,
native
native.
speakers.
Okay, so
Native.
okay, so they are native speaker from where is it? From Los Angeles, yeah? Where is it?
I think so.
Or it is simply from Simpruk, huh?
Yeah. Bekasi, maybe, sir.
Okay, and then
Oh,
all the 2010 expert here, or the journal or the article, you have to revise that one, yeah? And then grammar, okay, grammar, according to Lu and Nguyen Chan, you have to throw it away and then try to find the new one, yeah?
yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, the theoretical framework. Yeah, your theoretical framework here, what is it? Starting with the problem, yeah, and then after that one, you're going to figure out here about the student perception on the use of grammar itself. Yeah, you have to create a diagram on it. Yeah, it seems like you were not really understand what you wrote here, Vera. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. And then you're mentioning it is about student perception and then descriptive quantitative, but you're mentioning about correlation here. And then also correlation, method and procedure. It should you have to revise this one. Yeah?
Sir.
Okay?
Yeah.
Revise your method and then look at your finding. Look at your finding. Yeah, this what it called by a random kind of finding. Yeah, you don't have to put strongly disagree here because it's look like an alone kind of criteria on it. Yeah,
Okay.
and then description of the data validity test. Yeah. Okay, discuss it more with your advisor. That's my suggestion. Yeah. Okay, for the reference, all yeah, all below 2010, you have to throw it away. Do not use it for your reference. Okay? Okay, for your appendix, all good. Okay, your screen, okay. But why it is only 64? Yeah, so it is not 83, Elka. It is 64 pages only, the complete one. Yeah.
From cover. Aku di
Starting from the first chapter, second chapter, third chapter, fourth chapter, and then last chapter of the thesis consists only 64. Oh, come on. It's
Okay.
not like it is a paper, yeah? So you have to make it minimum, yeah, 100 minimum. Yeah? Yeah, so you will have around 36 more pages that you get to create it. Yeah?
Oh my god.
Okay, Vira, that's all I guess. I hope you're going to revise your thesis and then let's hope you will be able to succeed or to pass this thesis defense. Yeah. Thank you very much. And
Thank you,
then
sir.
jelas, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.